Have you ever wondered about the intricate language of tissue banking? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of terms beginning with the letter A. Our first vocabulary word is audit. This refers to a document review of procedures, records, personnel functions, equipment, materials, facilities, and/or suppliers to evaluate adherence to the written SOPM, standards, applicable laws, and regulations. Next up, Audit Trail refers to a process that captures details such as additions, deletions, or alterations of information in an electronic record without obliterating the original record. An audit trail facilitates the reconstruction of the course of such details relating to the electronic record. Next, we have authorization, which in the context of tissue banking means permission given after adequate information concerning the donation, recovery, and use of tissues is conveyed. Authorizing person is the person, other than the donor, authorized by law to make an anatomical gift. Autograft refers to tissue intended for implantation, transplantation, or infusion into the living donor from whom it was recovered. Autologous used as an adjective to modify donation, tissue, donor, or recipient, when donation is intended only from him or herself and transplantation is intended only to him or herself. Moving on, available for distribution is the status of an HCTP upon verifying and documenting that the HCTP meets the release criteria on the basis of a review of manufacturing and tracking records pertaining to the HCTP. Documented by a responsible person with the date when the determination that the HCTP is available for distribution has been made. A batch is a specific quantity of tissue produced according to a single processing protocol during the same processing cycle. Bioburden refers to the number of contaminating organisms found on a given amount of material. Birth tissue, BT, is gestational tissue donated at the time of delivery of a living newborn. This includes placenta, Wharton's jelly, amniotic fluid, chorionic membrane, placental chorionic disc, umbilical veins, and umbilical cord tissue. Blood component is any part of a single donor unit of blood separated by physical or mechanical means. Cardiac tissue C is a tissue type that includes but is not limited to valved conduits, non-valved conduits, aortoiliac grafts, and patch grafts. Lastly, cellular tissue CT is viable cells that are autologous or allogenic, committed or uncommitted, and non-expanded. In summary, these terms from audit to cellular tissue form the foundation of tissue banking vocabulary. Each term carries significant importance in the field, shaping the way professionals navigate the complex world of tissue donation and transplantation. Remember, understanding the vocabulary is the first step to mastering any new subject.